Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can integrate Asana with Slack. So let's get right into it. Now, Asana is basically just a task management system, very similar to Trello and other systems like that, even Jira from Atlassian, if you've ever seen or heard about that. And what Slack is, well, I'm pretty new to Slack, but from my point of view, it basically just looks like Discord for businesses. And the first thing you're going to want to do is install Asana for Slack, which is just like a, well, add-on pretty much. Just sign in and install this, and it should already be installed. I'm not sure why it isn't, or I'm not sure why I'm not signed in rather, but as you can see, if I log in, it should say that it has been installed, and it has. And as you can see, I can now open it in Slack, and it's redirecting to Asana. And once you redirect here, you can then use it to incorporate Slack with Asana. Now you will have new commands within Slack which you can use to very easily create tasks in Asana. If you go into Asana, as you can see, you can help and set up Asana as much as you'd like. You can select teammates, for example Slackbot, and then just press enter, or I'm not sure what, but it should be like that. And now, as you can see, you can click or type in slash, and you have a list of commands here. For example, create a task, and now you can write a task name, for example task 1, and then select a project, and this is optional. You will need to start a new project, and you have to select a due date as well as a description. I'll just type in the script, and you can then just click create, and now we have created a task in Asana through Slack, and that is pretty much it. I'm pretty sure you cannot integrate it with your already existing projects. You might be able to. I'm not sure how to do that. I'll leave that up to you, but in essence, this is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.